Hi and welcome back to Lavender Coco Kitchen. Well, here I'm with my daughter Sangeetha.
Hello.
And as you see, we're all dressed in green, ready to celebrate St. Patrick's Day because we actually do have some Irish blood. And you did a DNA test recently.
Yeah, I did that ancestry DNA test because we already knew that there's Irish.
Well, yeah, on my
from your side.
grandpa's side.
I just wanted to know like how much.
Yeah.
So I ended up getting 13% Irish and Scottish, which would make you like 25% Irish and Scottish.
Yeah.
Which is like a quarter.
Yeah, that's true. A quarter.
Yeah.
And of course you have Indian as well.
Obviously.
Yeah.
But it's funny, the Irish flag and the Indian flag are like the same colours.
They are. They're all green, white and orange. Yeah, that's right. It's interesting that actually. So today we're going to make what is called a shamrock shake.
Okay.
And as you probably know, a shamrock is a 3-leaf clover, which is used as a symbol of Ireland and St. Patrick's Day. And apparently these have been available at McDonald's for 50 years.
That's weird.
Yeah, have you seen them?
I've never ever heard of it.
No, I haven't actually ever seen them either, but one of my sons has seen them. So they are there, obviously. But I'm sure the version that we're going to make today is a lot healthier. It'll be a lot lower in sugar and won't have any added like nasties in it. And it actually features one of your favourite ingredients.
Matcha.
Yeah, matcha powder. And one of mine, which is peppermint. Yeah. So
A lot of green.
Yeah.
A mouldy banana.
Well, this one isn't mouldy, although it looks like it is. It's just a ripe banana that I put in the freezer. So if you have any really ripe bananas, don't throw them away, just chuck them in the freezer like they are. Then you can use them for smoothies, banana bread, cakes, or whatever you like. And just thaw it just a little bit in some water, and then you can easily get the skin off it. So as you can see, it looks quite good underneath the black skin.
Much better blended.
And I'm sure it will taste alright when it's blended with everything. Into the blender. There we go.
Okay.
Okay, so we've got our banana. We're going to use a cup of spinach leaves. And that's just English spinach, so it's got a very mild flavour, so you won't actually taste it. You'll just see a nice green colour and it's very nutritious.
English spinach in an Irish.
Oh yeah, that's true. Well, as you know, I'm half English. Alright, so now we're going to use vanilla ice cream. And this is vegan vanilla ice cream that I made myself. So I'm actually going to put up a recipe next time to show you how to make this ice cream yourself. And as you know, it's better than shop ice cream because it's lower in sugar. But if you don't have your own ice cream, you can use shop-bought vegan vanilla ice cream.
How much was that? Like
two big scoops, yeah. So we need half a cup of almond milk, if you want to do that.
Can you use any milk or?
Yeah, but almond's good because it's got a mild taste and it's low in calories as well. So it's pretty good. But then we have something that's higher in calories, but also good for you, coconut cream. And this gives it a nice creamy texture.
How much?
About half a cup of that as well.
Just the cream?
Yeah, mostly the creamy part. If there's a bit of the watery part in, it doesn't really matter. But obviously it'll make it more creamy if you use mostly the cream part. Oh, you got green nails.
Well, they're like bluey green.
Oh, and if you want to have a look, I have green shoes on today. So now we need your favourite ingredient.
Matcha.
1 teaspoon. So if you're not such a big fan of matcha powder, you could put a little bit less. but it does have a really nice flavour, and it also gives green colour to the shake as well.
How about a little bit more?
Well, if you really love it, like Sangeetha, you can add a little bit more. But just be aware it is quite strong. So if you're not used to it, just take it in small quantities. And now we need a teaspoon of peppermint essence. You can also make this more or less according to taste, but a teaspoon will give it a strong flavour because it's obviously quite strong as well. And actually matcha and peppermint goes well together, doesn't it? Because a while back on YouTube you can see we made a matcha high tea.
Ah, yeah.
And we featured a lot of things using matcha and also peppermint. And the combination is really nice. So that's it, we're just going to blend it now, and that's all we have to do.
That's it?
Yeah, that's all. There's our lovely green shamrock shake. You can have a little taste, Fawn. Taste the matcha and the peppermint. As I forgot to mention that all these ingredients like banana, matcha, spinach, they're all good for energy.
Okay.
So if you're feeling a bit like slumpy in the middle of the day, this is a good energy drink. Yeah. So what we're going to do now is make some whipped coconut cream just for decoration. You don't have to put this on, but it is really nice.
You want to be a bit fancier.
Yeah, and it does taste good. Like we said, coconut goes well with this. So we're just going to scrape the hard part of the coconut cream. This has been in the fridge. And for whipped coconut cream, you want the hard part of it. I've actually put a video up on YouTube quite a while ago now that shows you in more detail how to make this. There's our whipped coconut cream. So do you want to put it in a piping bag? So we have our coconut cream here. Now, as you know, there's white in the Irish flag with the green. And if you want to make another nod to the flag, you could add a little orange zest on the top. I've actually read you're not supposed to wear orange on St. Patrick's Day.
Oh, really?
Because the orange represents the Protestant part of Ireland, which is a minority compared to the Catholic part.
Okay.
But I think the white symbolises peace between the two. So we grate a bit of orange zest. Oh, my son just told me if you wear orange on St. Patrick's Day, you get tinged.
Well, I almost wore orange today.
Oh no. Well, I'm glad you decided to wear green instead. Okay, now we just have to pour our shake into this glass. So obviously it's not that vivid green that you see sometimes because that usually comes from artificial colours. It's a much more natural looking green. So now we can add our white. Alright, now we just need a bit of orange zest. And if you don't want to put the orange zest, you could put some grated chocolate on instead. Okay, have a taste. What's it like? Good. What can you taste?
This is very refreshing. It's got like a thickness like a milkshake.
Yeah.
And creaminess, but it's like very refreshing at the same time with the mint and the matcha.
I'm sure you'll feel energized after drinking that. So, if you want to celebrate St. Patrick's Day, you could try the Shamrock shake. Or if you're really into chocolate and whiskey, you could try the Bailey's chocolate mousse that I had last week.
That looked good.
Yeah, that was good. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.